Then he met his first wife, Sharon.
David and Karen had two children and built a life for the family in North Carolina. Once the children were adults, the couple decided on a new venture, a